We're excited to invite you to our 2-day workshop and hackathon on April 11th and 12th.
On the first day, we will be building a Python project together using modern AI coding tools to move much faster than traditional development.
We will explore what vibe coding actually looks like in real time.
And instead of just talking about AI, we'll build something real, step by step.
On the second day, we'll switch perspectives and we'll try to break Gen AI-based system.
You'll test real AI agent and see how it behaves and how it reacts in different situations.
Together, we'll explore where AI systems start to fail.
We will look at the things like hallucination, bias, and security risks.
And we'll see how testers actually discover those problems.
By the end of the hackathon, you'll understand how to test AI and acquire unique QA skills that companies are looking for.
Skills most QA teams don't have yet. Right now, most teams are building AI, but they have no clue how to test it properly. They're guessing. You don't have to. This is where you learn to do it right.
I'm Vladimir, instructor at Engineers University.
I'm Gregor Goldstein.
I'm Alex Kuperberg.
I'm Amanda Curtis.
My name is Jaime Mantilla.
My name is Max Volovich.
This is where you learn to do it right. Hope to see you there.